Canada, with its top-notch education system and vibrant multicultural communities, has become a prime destination for international students. But before you pack your bags, securing your Canada student visa is crucial. What is a student visa for Canada? The study permit is required for courses longer than 6 months. Grants permission for the duration of your program plus 90 days. Important to obtain before starting your studies. Visa fees and processing time. Study permit fee, 150 Canadian dollars, 110 USD / 9,200 Indian rupees. Processing time, approximately 11 weeks. Apply early to avoid last-minute issues. Latest updates on Canada student visas. Introduction of the Provincial Attestation Letter, PAL. Study permits issued increased by 22.3% in 2023. GIC amount doubled to $20,635 from 2024. Canada student visa requirements. Admission to a designated learning institution, DLI. Proof of funds for tuition, living expenses, and return travel. No criminal record, medical exam required. Proof of intent to return home after studies. Documents checklist. Acceptance letter from a DLI. Provisional attestation letter, PAL. Valid passport. Proof of funds, for example, loan sanction letter. Passport size photographs. Medical certificate. Minimum bank balance for a Canada student visa. Minimum funds required, $20,635 plus tuition. Additional $8,000 for a spouse, $6,000 for other dependents. Calculate your total amount. Tuition plus $20,635 plus $8,000 spouse. Stay informed on study abroad updates. Subscribe to Nomad Credit. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Connect with Nomad Credit for a hassle-free study abroad journey at zero cost.